About calculation and information. So within an organization, people constantly have to make a decision. Sometimes it can be about whether one should use aluminum can or glass bottle, or should you move your manufacturing site to other country, or maybe choosing between using lorry or train to transport the product. Good decision should be made based on evidence. Oftentimes, the decision covers economic aspects such as which choice will cost less. It can also about convenience, like which transportation mode can deliver fast. However, now we have to take into account environmental aspect as well, which is not an easy thing to do since there are a lot of things to consider. That's why we use Lifecycle Assessment or LCA. So we can look into the environmental impact of the product through each single stage of the product life cycle. We go through the supply chain sequence, begin with raw material extraction, production, transport, consumption, and disposal. During the assessment process, we'll be more aware of all the inputs used in our products, like how much material we need, how are the materials and products are transported, how far is that, or what kind of transportation mode we use, how much energy is being used and what are the sources, what happened to the product at the end of its lifetime. So those information can be translated into something meaningful, which are environmental impacts. When we talk about the impacts, we have a wide range of categories. Climate change impact, ozone depletion, water depletion, acidification, and so on. This result sometimes provides something unexpected. Like a real example coming from a skincare manufacturing company who learned that using plastic jar is turned out to be more environmentally friendly than the glass jar. Hence, integrating LCA into production process can improve decision making. In REWISE, LCA has been applied in the metal and forestry sector. We can now identify the environmental hotspot or part of production that cause highest environmental impact. We can make wiser decisions when selecting our supplier, and we can also improve the production by switching the electricity contract that use renewable sources. So this is how we can make informed decisions through calculating environmental impact using life cycle assessment.